OnPassive is turning nightmares into beautiful dreams. The nightmares of doing business on the internet will be over when OnPassive is launched to the world of internet users. The force of OnPassive will be felt earthwide. That seismic force will bring down the pillars that have been built by companies that preyed on the users of their products. Gone will be the heartaches and shattered dreams of honest people trying to improve the lives of their families. Right now those dreams are nightmares. OnPassive changes all of that. OnPassive will provide to its users the comfort of knowing that their private data will not be sold to the highest bidder, to companies who will use that information any way they want to use it. Users of OnPassive's state-of-the-art products will take comfort in knowing that they will be fully protected online when talking to their loved ones, without those conversations going viral. OnPassive will treat its users with love and respect and will protect the private lives of its users. Those nightmarish days will be a thing of the past when OnPassive opens its doors to the world. OnPassive will turn the nightmares of doing business and socializing with the people you love into sweet dreams of success. The world of the internet has been waiting on something like OnPassive for decades. That wait is almost over. Imagine this: going to sleep with a major problem on how you can provide an income for your family and how to connect to your loved ones safely, and waking up the next morning with both problems solved. That is the power of OnPassive. OnPassive solved the problems for you. How was that possible? OnPassive's done-for-you automated system takes your problem and eliminates your problem while you are sleeping. OnPassive eliminates user error. OnPassive will take your nightmares and turn them into sweet dreams of success. OnPassive will provide unlimited success to all its users. All of us can use it without fear. It took the heart and expertise of Mr. Ash Mafare to figure that out. He designed OnPassive for all to use it. OnPassive is the nightmare eliminator and the beautiful dream maker. We can all rest assured of that. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.